little bit of a chicken update. You can see we've raised the fence to be I guess we're about 7 foot high now. And since doing that and moving the chickens inside, no more free ranging running around the property, we haven't lost a single chicken. It makes it a little more difficult in the wintertime with the snow and getting the door open and getting them watered and everything else. But Mr. Bobcat or Mr. Coyote or the neighbor's dog, whatever it might be that was sneaking over here and helping themselves to the chicken nuggets, stopped. So the fencing has really been working out great. These are last, I guess this spring's chicks. So we've had these guys 10 months and they've been great layers the last few months and no complaints. It's worked out really good. Our hope is that we'll keep them happy, keep them warm, keep them fed, and we'll coast through next year with this same batch of chickens. And then the following 2021 spring, we'll do a new batch of chickens and we'll send these chickens off to freezer camp. The other day I was working on the snowplow and I had it started, and then for some odd reason the starter wouldn't go anymore. So we're gonna mess around with this truck and see if we can get the snow off of it and see if we can jump it and get it started. I brought one of my older daughters. She heard there was a chance she might get to drive, so she was all excited about helping out. So we'll see if we can get it started, and if so, then we'll drive it down to the shop and get it in the shop and see if they can figure out what this electrical problem is that we've got. And then we should be ready to go for winter. Hey, will you pop the hood? There it is. You got it. Okay. So, what I want you to do is turn the starter like you're going to start it.
Yeah.
And I'm going to monkey with this a little bit.
Okay.
I'll try it again. Will you give it a gas? Step on the pedal, give it gas, step on the pedal a little bit.
Okay.
Hey, are you turning the key? Yeah. Hold the key on. Just give it a little gas.
I'm holding it.
Okay. Let's let it warm up.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Okay, you ready? Okay, you're in four-wheel drive. Once we get out of the snow, then take it out of four-wheel drive. Yeah, you see where it is? Okay, you got it? Okay, I'll go slow.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else.
How'd you do? Is there any scary parts? So we dropped the plow truck off at the shop, and they can get into it and see what's going on with the ignition, and hopefully it won't take too long, and then we'll get the truck back. We'll probably do some service while it's here, go through it, check on stuff, top off fluids, that kind of stuff, and then we'll be ready to go for winter, which is, I guess it's here, but not really. So would have been better if we would have done this in the middle of August or September, but we'll get it in, get it taken care of, and we'll be ready to go.